Hello custodians. Hello students. Today we are going to study about report writing. It is going to be helpful even in the higher classes also. There is also in 10th class and there is report writing. So let us study about report writing and know and going to cover about what are the important points or what are the features of a report, what are the details a report writing should have. So let us start about report writing. First, let us know what is a report. A report is a factual description of an event that has already taken place. So it means if you are going to write about any report, it means that situation has already happened. It can be an account of an event or an accident or an investigation or detailed analysis of an issue or a problem. So now, writing a report depends upon two major considerations. First, who is going to read it, why he or she is going to read it. It means that we have to target who is going to be the audience, target audience of us. It is going to be the younger section, older section. So we should prepare report according to that. Now, two general kinds of reports are these are reports for newspaper, as you have seen in newspaper also, and reports for magazines. As you have seen in magazine, there are reports with data and facts. Reports about events, accidents, burglaries, matches, political events, and etc. are often published in newspaper. Yes, as you have seen that there is a report about the theft, about anything, any other issue like accident, match, political events are also covered under reports. Reports of events like annual day, yes, the sports day, annual play, etc. are published in school magazines. I hope all of you are aware that in our school magazines we have annual day celebrations. So we just write in the reports, and even if there is any sports day organized in our school, then we also write in reports. So what are the features of a report? So let us see. It includes relevant points and information that must be accurate. So it should not have any false information about it. Your information or the data should be accurate. Second, usually written in the third person and indirect speech. Yes, it is important. You should write in third person. The language has to be formal, neutral, and should not have any personal opinion. Yes, it should be free from any bias or prejudice. It should not have that your topic is just you should not be extreme towards any other point. It should have a balanced approach. Now, use of possessive voice and personal pronouns to be avoided. Yes. Now, content should include answers to 5 W's. So what are the WH family? These are what is the report is all about, where it happened, when it happened, why it happened, and who and whom and how questions. So if you are going to get the answers of these 5 W, it should cover, your report should cover all these things. Now, the description should be clear and coherent. Information should be organized in an appropriate manner. So description should be clear. It should not have any vague information. It should be clear. Okay. Past tense should be used as the report informs about an event. Okay, yes, we should write in past tense, because report is, as I told you in the beginning, that report is all about a past event which had already happened. Reports carry headings and name of the writing, so it should be heading. So if you are writing about annual sports day, it should have a heading like annual sports day celebration, and it should have the name of the writer, that who is the writer of this report, whether even in the questions you will get the writer, whether you may be denoted as XYZ or OBC. So this is report writing. I hope I have covered everything which are required to write a report writing, and I'm able to explain what are the features of a report.